Welcome to Lease Abstract AI. Lease Abstract AI is your generative AI-powered solution for lease abstraction, designed to simplify your workflow. Here's how to get started. Visit app.leaseabstracti.com and click Sign Up at the top right corner to create your profile. Enter your basic details, name, email, address, phone number, and company information. Set up a password and click Sign Up. Check your inbox for a verification email. Don't forget to check your spam folder. Once verified, log into your account to begin. First step is to set up an abstraction profile. Navigate to Abstraction Profile and click Create Abstraction Profile. Assign a name to your profile that best describe the purpose of the abstraction profile. Then select the clauses, options, and data fields you want the system to extract, and choose your preferred abstraction template. Once created, your profile is ready for use. Second step is to upload your lease document. Go to the dashboard and upload the lease document you wish to abstract. Once uploaded, the platform will perform optical character recognition, OCR, to make the document readable. After OCR is complete, click the Abstract drop-down next to your document and select the relevant abstraction profile. The system will automatically process the document and extract the data. Once abstraction is complete, review the extracted data for accuracy. Click on the document name to edit it as needed. Yellow highlights indicate successfully abstracted data. Each extracted field includes a backlink to the original source within the lease, enabling easy navigation for future reference. If any clauses were missed, use the search feature to locate relevant sections. Type the desired text into the search bar and click Search button. The system will search the document for the entered string, displaying the results below. Select the relevant text from the document that matches your search, assign it to the appropriate data point, and the system will automatically generate a backlink for future reference. Use the Summarize feature to paraphrase the text automatically, or manually copy, paste, and summarize information as needed. Last step in this process is generating the report. When you're ready, generate your report. You can do this by clicking Get Report directly from the document view or from the dashboard. Navigate back to the dashboard and click on the Get Report button against the completed abstract. The report will be generated in the template you selected during the creation of the abstraction profile. The abstraction template displays the data extracted by the application, along with the corresponding source page numbers, enabling easy reference for future reviews. Reports can be downloaded in PDF, Word, or Excel formats. A training guide is conveniently available in the top navigation, providing a step-by-step walkthrough to assist you. If you need any customizations or have questions, visit contact page at leaseabstracti.com. Simply fill the form and submit a request, or email us at leaseabstracti.com. Thank you for choosing Lease Abstract AI to streamline your lease abstraction process.